Well, good morning. It's 10 after 7. We're here at Kevin's shop working on this little Triumph. We're going to try to get spark today. Where's that little tool? I'll show them that little guy that I made. Okay, isn't that cute? I'm going to show you this. It's two washers soldered together, and they're used to lock the advance unit on the points. So we're going to use this today. Right now, the timing is set to full advance. We put a degree wheel on there, and I don't remember what the spec is, but this is top dead center and this is full advance.
Yep.
Okay, so it rotates this way. So we're pointing at full advance right now with a little scribe mark there. And over here, what we're going to do is lock the advance unit to full advance, and then install the plate in front of it, and then set this points gap, which I can do with a meter, but it's kind of cumbersome, and it's actually no better than using really thin paper. As in the olden days, we used cellophane off these cigarette packages. Where is that paper I gave you?
Right there by the, keep going to your left.
Oh, here it is. But what we use nowadays is something I got out of my wife's cooking area. This is really thin cooking paper for wrapping things in, putting them in the oven, and the paper doesn't burn. It's really thin. And so we'll use this. And we'll use this to gap the points to just barely break with the advance unit fully advanced with the engine set at full advanced. And then we're going to hook up all the little wires and kick the bike over and see if we get spark. So that's the objective for today. And we're going to start right about now. This ought to be interesting. All right, so we have the points assembly locked at full advance with this little tool that I made, the two washers. So it's locked the weights there all the way out. And we have the plate in the center of its adjustment. And we have, at this point in time, on the meter, no contact. Now, if I just reach up here and just barely nudge this with my finger, like that, you will see the meter down here. See how, I'm just barely touching it. Just barely touching it. So that's just break. That's perfect. We have full adjustment at just break, at full advance, with the weights locked. Now, what I'm going to do is hold everything tight, and I'm going to lock this center, take the center bolt out, hopefully without dislodging, disturbing the rotor, and then put the center bolt in and lock it down tight. Here we go. All right, I put one bolt here on the plate, took the center bolt out, took the locking washers out, put it back in. And if I reach down, if I just take this guy, you can watch the points. Let me show you the points. Watch them as I turn this. Put the light down here so it's inside the points. Over there. Yeah. Can you see that? You can actually see those points as I advance this guy. Let me find them. There they are. You can actually see the points breaking. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, that's where we are. We're going to kick it over and see if we have some spark. All right, we have accomplished our primary mission today. We do have spark. I don't expect you'll be able to see it, but we're going to show you that the sparkler is sparklering. And I'm going to zoom in real quick on this, real tight, and let's just see if you can see any sparks at all. They're small. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, kick the head. Way too shaky. That's a shame. Anyway, believe me, there's spark there. If you'd like to drop by and hold this on your tongue, we'd be more than happy to accommodate you. Let's hang. I think we're gonna hang the exhaust system, and at that point we're stopped for parts, waiting for a couple of parts, and call her a day.
We can put the gear shift lever on too.
Oh, boy, we can almost dress her out.
I know, we're getting there.
Actually, is there any reason why you can't put the tank on?
No, tank and seat.
Might as well.
Tank has to go first, then the seat. It's a goofy.
All right. All right, we're gonna do a little dressing and then call it a day. All right, it's 10 o'clock. I got here at 7. Kevin was already out here. The bike is dressed out. We've got seat on, tank on. We're going to make a better gas line setup. Putting oil into the tranny and the engine tank. And basically at that point we're stopped waiting on 1 or 2 parts that are ordered. So it's looking good. We're getting down there. We're using MT90 in the gearbox and 2050 VR1 in the engine. A little windy today here. Had a little bit of rain this morning. Now a little bit of wind. And that is it from Kevin's shop today. Calling it a day here. Bye.